Hello Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is July 19th to 25th weekly horoscope and tarot reading for you. So Scorpio, Sun, Moon and Rising. If you had the opportunity to meet someone last week, okay, July 12th to 13th, okay, that could have been when Venus and Mars conjuncted, okay, it could have been a very potent time for you to meet a soulmate potential or someone that could have been very significant, okay. Even if you have some hiccups right now, or if you think that you're not ready to approach them, or you have some differences, try to wait patiently, because this energy is going to be there till August 22nd, which is the Aquarius full moon, okay. This week we are going to have July 23rd, there's going to be an Aquarius full moon, and again the same full moon is happening on August 22nd. So if you're really looking for partnerships, or you're looking for things, it could happen. And especially if you're already coupled, this could be a heightened time for you to understand how lucky you are to find your partner now, and you can rekindle the romance here, okay. So the four important things that's happening this week is Mars in your 10th house is in conjuncting Neptune and Pisces in your 5th house. So this could be this could have a shake-up between your creativity and career. Okay, how creative are you? Are you looking? Are you being so monotonous in your career that you are letting your creativity not come out, or you're not having any hobbies that are creative? Okay, you could find a difference in these things, and maybe you have to focus more on that, okay. And then Venus in your 11th house, it's moving into Virgo, which is the house of destiny, friendship. So now you can start having some nice people, meeting like-minded kindred spirits that can help you move on with life, help you in some way, okay. And then Mercury in your 9th house is actually squiring Chiron in your 6th house of daily routines, okay. So your travel, your commuting, or your the belief systems can be may need to change in your daily life, okay. The Chiron in your daily life, and also if you have some enemies in your open enemies house, so if you have some kind of energy where you need to heal from people that are in your workplace or your colleagues or friends, that could be an energy this week. And then full moon is happening on your 4th house of home and family, Scorpio. So in Aquarius, it could be about your having to start new. You could have a lot of culmination points if you're buying a home or trying to negotiate property issues or something like that. Those things can have some kind of culmination point for you this full moon. Okay, so let's begin. I'm using the Witch's Tarot, and I'm gonna do a 5-card spread for you for this week. Let's see what's happening. And Scorpio, if you're absolutely single, the sign which you can attract most during this time is Earth, okay. Earth and water. Another water sign could be very prominent for you, okay. Air and fire are not right now in your radar. Earth and water is in your radar, okay. So if you're looking for love, if you're looking for friendships or new dating scenarios, you can go after Earth signs and water signs. Page of Wands is the overall energy for you, but I'm not taking the back of the deck right now, okay, unless it's necessary. The first card for you is the 5 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Swords, Hierophant, the Moon, 3 of Cups. So Scorpios, if you are in a long distance relationship, or if you're in a committed partnership, you could have financial issues right now, okay. If you're already married or looking for marriage, you're trying to save money to get married, and you're thinking about your dreams, your aims of getting married. Right now, maybe you're not able to attract the right person. Maybe you're right now, either if you're already married, you could have issues with money, as well as maybe you're trying to overspend something, and your partner is asking you to save money. There could be some issues regarding that. And 10 of Pentacles in the obstacle position could also mean you could have some issues with your in-laws or even your family members, okay. They could not be approving your relationship, or if you're trying to get married, there could be some oppositions with parents, okay. So you're right now in this is the Moon and the 8 of Swords. Feels like in the 5 of Pentacles, you feels like you're not worthy enough, or you feel like you're not able to attract the right partner for marriage. If you're absolutely single, okay, there could be some issues. Maybe your parental differences, or your ancestors will differ, and that could be an issue for you to find love. And if you're absolutely single, and you are looking for partnerships right now, I think you may need to be a little more open towards your opportunities here. And if you are married, I don't like this Five of Pentacles. Let's see, you're having issues with partner. But if you're dating, we'll see. The Five of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, King of Swords. Okay. So this is Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. This could even be legal issues. Okay, I'm getting more than a person. I feel like if you're in property dealings with someone, the High Priestess fell on the Eight of Swords. So maybe you do not know something about someone. Maybe they are being cold and they are being rejecting you, or they could have even told you that they are not ready to legally give you money, provide you with what you want, your comfort, or if you're feeling stuck, your intuition is stuck right now. The Hierophant. Yeah, this could be monetary dealings. Okay, maybe you're looking for some kind of negotiation here with a person. Could be legalities with respect to shared resources, property matters, assets, money. And if I don't know if it is child support, but I feel like Five of Wands. Yeah, this could be conflict, internal conflict as well as external conflicts with people. Okay, maybe you want clarity with the sun and the moon. This could be about eclipsing something, and also this could be about finding the clarity. Maybe you're in the dark right now. Maybe with people could come out and tell you exactly what they mean. Three of Cups, the Empress. Wow. One more on the Three of Cups, Seven of Wands, Three of Wands. Yeah, I think you need to stand up for your belief system, especially if you're married, Scorpio, and you are the wife and you want to, you're standing up for your belief systems, you're standing up for yourself. Maybe you're looking for a new future. Maybe you're trying to settle things with this partner right now. If you're in a divorce battle or even in a I think it's more like a negotiation. Like you want to start a new beginning, but you're trying to settle things with this person, but they're not allowing you. There could be conflicts with their parents, and legalities could be stuck right now for you. Okay, but if you're absolutely single, I don't think you're single here in this reading. This reading may resonate for people who are looking for a commitment or looking to get married and having legal issues or even monetary issues or even parental issues right now. If you are already a parent, you could have some kind of problems with your mother figure. Maybe she's not approving your approach to the relationship or approaching to your thing here. Okay, I think you need to change your perspective right now. Maybe go out, get away from the drama, chill, meet your friends. Okay, and also try to think about your future and your own personal issues here. Okay, let me see what the full moon energy for you could be, Scorpio, for this week. Victory. Wow. Oh, you have two cards. I'm going to take both, rest and rejuvenation and victory for you. Okay, so I think you need to take time out to chill. Okay, focus on yourself, and there will be a victory for you. So don't worry about too much about what's happening behind the scenes. Maybe if you're in the dark right now, don't worry, things are going to be in your own favor, and you will get the insight, and you will also be victorious with that. Okay, I hope this week you'll be feeling good about yourself. Have a nice day, have a nice week, Scorpios.